In today's video, I will show you how to contact Wayfair customer service. First, open your browser and navigate to wayfair.com, ensuring that you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home page, hover your cursor over the account button in the top right corner and click on Help and Contact. Scroll down the page until you see the Need Further Assistance section, where you can click on Start a Chat to connect with their virtual assistant. All you need to do is enter your message and send it to begin receiving help. Alternatively, you can scroll down further to the Contact Us section and click on Quick Help to select Customer Service Help, which will open a similar chat window. If you prefer to speak with someone directly, click on Call Us to find their telephone number and view the current operating hours for both customer service and shopping assistance. And that's it. That's how you contact Wayfair customer service. Thank you for watching.